U.S. military airstrikes targeting Houthi drones in Yemen on February 1, 2024. Mention rising tensions in the region due to Houthi attacks on commercial shipping and U.S. warships. Explain CENTCOM's justification for the strikes as defensive, aimed at neutralizing an imminent threat to merchant vessels and U.S. Navy ships. Align with the Biden administration's policy of supporting Saudi Arabia and the internationally recognized Yemeni government. Outline the Houthis' denial of U.S. claims, asserting the drones posed no threat to international navigation. Accuse the U.S. of escalating the conflict and vow retaliation, in line with their narrative of defending Yemen's sovereignty. Highlight simmering tensions in the region, complicated by the Gaza war and concerns about growing Iranian influence. Discuss disruptions to Red Sea shipping lanes and their economic and security challenges. Pose key questions about the nature of the threat, civilian casualties, and the potential for escalation or deterrence. Acknowledge difficulties in independent verification due to conflicting claims. Describe the worsening humanitarian crisis in Yemen, with 80% of the population needing assistance. Mention accusations of human rights abuses by both the Houthis and the Saudi-led coalition. Advocate for diplomatic efforts to facilitate ceasefire negotiations and a political settlement. Stress the importance of humanitarian aid and addressing root causes like poverty and unemployment. Summarize the complexities of the crisis and the risks posed by further military action. Emphasize the need for diplomacy, prioritizing the Yemeni people's needs, and addressing underlying causes for a durable peace.